Remember our discussion last class period about culture? We defined it as learned collective behaviors. Watch this video about two types of cultures that will help us learn about regions throughout the world. So what is folk culture? Let's look at some characteristics. Folk cultures are traditional. This means old-fashioned lifestyles passed from generation to generation. Cohesive groups and strong interpersonal relationships. There are so few people in folk cultures that everyone gets to know each other at a very personal level. Homogeneous. This means that there is little diversity in folk cultures. They are also self-sufficient. They produce what they eat, use, and wear. Isolated. Technology has not influenced folk cultures like other urban places. And folk cultures are also stable. Ideas here do not change very quickly. Now, let's look at what folk culture landscapes might look like. Think about what things you would see and the type of human influences there are on the landscape. Now that we know what a folk culture looks like, let's learn about popular culture. Let's look at the characteristics, many of which that are opposite to folk culture. Popular cultures are urban and industrial based. Think of large cities like New York or Chicago. They are also modern and tend to be wealthier. They have a larger population, which encompasses a large area and are very dense. There are many relationships but are less personal due to the large amount of people to get to know. They also have technology and large mechanization, which is an integral part of their economy and society. They also focus on mass production and standardization. This means that goods and even sometimes buildings can be planned and produced in large amounts. They are also highly specialized. They are not self-sufficient but have to know numerous people to function, like going to the plumber to fix the sink, going to the mechanic to fix the car, or to store to get clothes. There's also more leisure time because there's no need to spend time trying to be self-sufficient to survive. They have more time to cater to their own personal interests. Now, let's look at what a popular culture landscape would look like and how humans have influenced their environment. Now understanding the difference between folk and popular cultures, do you see examples of these in your own community? Please write down 3 to 4 examples to bring to class next time. Try to find at least one of each type of culture. It's amazing what you can find. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class. Here is an example of a video I had taken of myself to include for this iMovie project.